Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you 3 things men need from women. What are the 3 things that men need from a woman? But before we continue, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, online relationship, advice for women, and dating advice for women. So if you are looking for all these videos, you are on the right channel. Subscribe to this channel to follow me up. What are the 3 things men need from women? Number 1 is respect. Some women don't know how to respect their man. Some women that has made money don't respect their man, not knowing that respect is exactly what a man needs to stick with you. Respect is what a man needs to be with you. For you to have a successful marriage, for you to have a successful home, you must learn to respect your man. And once you respect your man, that marriage, that relationship will be successful. Number 2 is that every man needs love. Once you can love your man, you give him whatever you want. Good food, good sex, good encouragement, motivation. Always staying with him. That man will love you. And all these things are what every man needs from a woman. Every man loves every woman that loves him. So if you want your husband to love you and to stick with you, learn to love him. Number 3 and the last thing men need from a woman is prayerful. For every man to become successful, there must be a good woman. And a good woman must has the following: the ability to pray, the ability to work, the ability to love, and the ability to tolerate. All these things put together makes a good woman. So every man needs a woman that knows how to pray, because when you work and you did not pray, there will be no success. But when you work and pray hard, there will be success. There is something they say that pray and work to become successful. So every man needs a good woman that has the ability to pray. Prayer backs up work, and with prayer all things are possible. Every man wants a woman that knows how to pray. So if you can pray, you are on the right channel. You are on the right path to success. So every man wants or needs a woman that can pray to back them up. So these 3 reasons are what men need from a woman. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, make sure that you hit the like button. Please subscribe to this channel to support my channel and turn on the notification bell. If you have any comment, put it down in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Thank you. I appreciate you. Bye for now.